Hello everyone, welcome to construction class. In this class, we will solve chapter 7 construction 2. Construction 2, the base of a triangle, an acute angle adjacent the base and the difference between the other two sides are given. Construct the triangle. Here is A is the side, D is the difference of two sides and X is the acute angle adjacent the base. Particular enunciation. Here is, let the base A base adjacent angle X, the difference D of other two sides. Here is other, OTHER, other two sides of a triangle be given. It is required to construct the triangle. Drawing. From any ray BE, we cut BC equal to A. I am repeating, from any ray BF, we cut BC equal to the side A. Then at the point B, we draw an angle CBE equal to X. Here is, from any ray BF, cut the line segment BC equal to A. At B of the line segment BC, অর্থাৎ BC line segment draw CBE equal to X. Now we will see how we can do it. Next step 2. We cut BD equal to D from the ray BE. We cut BD equal to D from the ray BE. Cut the line segment BD equal to D from the ray BE. Now we will see how we can do it. Third step, join C and D. Join C and D. Then at the point D on the line segment CD, draw an angle DCG equal to EDC. I am repeating, at the point C on the line segment CD, we draw an angle DCG equal to EDC. This angle equal to this angle. Here is join CD. In your book it was DCA. I name here DCG, so I edit here. Equal to EDC on the side DC in which E lies, not here. We will make in this side, not this side. Now let us watch the video. Then last step, CG and BE intersect at the point E, at the point A, then ABC will be our required triangle. Here is in your book it was CA, I name here CG. The rays CG and BE intersect at the point A, then ABC is our required triangle. Okay, no more today. Next class I will discuss construction 3. Goodbye.